Welcome back to Primetime Sports Monday. Former table tennis Jamaica presidential candidate Karen Sinclair Lim is taking the association to court following the recent re-election of Godfrey Lothian. Renata Brown tells us more.
TVJ Sports on Monday received a document sent by then-challenger Karen Sinclair Lim detailing the grounds on which her team is challenging the re-election of Godfrey Lothian as president of Table Tennis Jamaica. The document listed 5 areas of concerns regarding the election and special meeting where amendments were made to the Constitution. The first 2 orders are to prove that the special meeting held by Table Tennis Jamaica on January 28 of this year and the annual general meeting on February 9 be declared null and void and or invalid. To that end, the claimant is also asserting that the election of officers to Table Tennis Jamaica at the annual general meeting should also be declared invalid. The 5th point states, quote, a declaration that the second defendant, in this case Godfrey Lothian, is not an entity properly constituted in accordance with and as required by the laws of Jamaica, end quote. The grounds on which the claimant is seeking relief calls into question the AGM, which was held on February 9, claiming it was in breach of the Constitution of TTJ, in that it failed to comply with Article 3, Clause 10 of the said Constitution, and in particular, the mandatory requirement for the presentation of audited financial statements. There are also claims that TTJ at the time was neither registered with the Jamaica Olympic Association, the International Table Tennis Federation, nor the Companies of Jamaica, and that neither TTJ or Lothian are legally entitled to collect monies on behalf of the sport of table tennis in Jamaica. When TVJ Sports contacted Sinclair Lim on Monday afternoon, she confirmed the issuing of the document, but noted she was not allowed to speak further on the issue. A source told TVJ Sports that the document was given to Lothian and TTJ on Monday. However, calls to the cell phone of the president to get a confirmation went unanswered. Lothian retained the presidency in a landslide 71-4 vote over Sinclair Lim at the association's AGM on February 9. The date for the trial is set for July 23. Renata Brown for TVJ Sports.